Hello friends, let's take a look at Sun in the 10th house of Taurus Ascendant. In this video, I will talk about the effects of Sun in the 10th house, that are the profession of the person, his promotions, his status, his public esteem, his inheritance, property and vehicles, his father and mother. Before I speak about the remedies or upayas or precautions which are to be taken to get better results of Sun in this house, in the end, I will talk about general tip of the day, wherein I will give you a small tip for general welfare and happiness. As you can see on my side, this is a Taurus Ascendant horoscope where number 2 is written in the first house or the Lagna. Sun is the lord of the 4th house where number 5 is written, the sign Leo, and Sun is placed in the 10th house where 11 is written. Now if you have your Sun in the 10th house, in whichever Lagna, please remember that this is a position Sun will get when a person is born in the afternoon. So if you have Sun in this house, that means surely you were born around the afternoon time. And in the afternoon, Sun is very strong, so Sun gets directional strength in this position. And in this particular Lagna, Sun is one of the surest sign of success. It's a very good position. However, for the Taurus Ascendant, there is a slight drawback that Sun is right opposite its own sign of Leo. So this makes the Sun detrimental and the good effects reduce a little bit in this ascendant. With Sun in this place, what will happen is the person's profession will be connected to the government because Sun represents the government. So if the person is in a job, it may be connected to a government job. If the person is in an independent profession or in business, he may be doing something related to the government contracts, government tenders, giving some advisory services to the government, etc. Sun here in the 10th house makes the person very hardworking if Sun is in a good dignity. And people trust him. The person is very dependable and therefore people pose their belief, their faith in this person, and the person can go up and get into public life, become a public servant, get a position of respect in the public. If not, because Sun represents the government, the person will also come in contact with those who are in higher positions of authority. These are the good results that Sun will give if Sun is in a good dignity in this house. Sun is the lord of the 4th house here. And 4 and 10 axis, it talks about inheritance. So with Sun active in whichever dasha, antardasha, or whichever period Sun is active, we will find that the person will gain some property in inheritance. From the 10th house, Sun aspects its own sign, and therefore it makes the 4th house also quite strong. Therefore, the chances of a person getting property and vehicles also increase during this period. For the mother of the person, this is the 7th house where Sun is placed. And so during this period, we will find that the mother of the person may begin her own business or may get into a partnership business. The 4th house has the sign Leo, therefore the mother of the person will have a magnetic personality, a royal personality like the king, like the Sun, and she will have an authoritative voice. For the father of the person, the father is represented by the 9th house and Sun is placed in the 10th house, which is 2nd house to the 9th house. So it represents the movable property, the bank balance, the liquid cash in hand of the father. So during this period, father will concentrate towards his money part of it, the finances part of it. However, since the sign of Sun is in the 8th house from the house of father, So the 6 and 8 axis is not considered very good. Therefore, the father is likely to face some problems, obstacles during this period. For the person himself, overall, this is a very good position of sun. Sun in this place is one of the surest signs of success if sun is in a good dignity. During this period, the person will get promotion if he is in service. He will get a rise in status. However, one thing to remember is that sun is placed in the sign 11, which is Aquarius, which is the sign of Saturn. So some kind of reduction in the good effects may be there. Since sun is lord of a Kendra house, which is the centric house, which is the house number 4, and sun is placed in the another Kendra house or centric house, which is the house number 10. So both these placements are good. 4th house and 10th house are quite strong, and so in this case remedies of sun will not be required. However, because it is the sign of Saturn, we must remember we want to increase the chances of our promotion, our status in life. So we must pray to the Lord Sun and do Surya Namaskar in the morning. This will help sun give us better results in the horoscope. Another thing, a small precaution to be used is that never use a black headdress or a black cap or a very dark blue cap. If at all you want to use a headdress, kindly use a headdress or a cap or a pagdi, as we call, of white color, or maybe with a little bit of pink mixed in that white color. That will bring even better, more beneficial results from the sun in your horoscope. Now regarding the tip of the day. The tip of the day is that we must feed cows. A cow is represented by Lord Mahalakshmi, which gives us all kind of wealth, all material things in our lives. And so if we feed cows every day, so far as possible, the chances of our wealth and happiness increasing become better. But when you feed the cows, please remember not to give them anything which is salty or anything which is sour in taste. Normally, people give one chapati or a part of their food to the cows. An even better way is that whatever vegetables or fruit that we use in the house, we peel these vegetables and fruits. So feed the cow these peels, not the seeds. These peels you can collect in a separate polythene and feed it to any cow when you're going to the office. This will help in recycling of waste also. And at the same time, it will help you get more wealth, material gains, happiness in your life. That's all about sun in the 10th house. In case you have any queries or any suggestions, please put it in the comment box or write to me on the WhatsApp number which is given below. I'll try to answer your queries to the best of my ability. See you next time. Thank you.